This is the normal wheel with no issues. Notice the cleanness. This wheel, it's much more dirty and has some issue. Not as dirty, but this one is really dirty. Something in there is broken. It is breaking all the time.
I woke up 3:30 a.m. and could not sleep anymore, so I decided to diagnose the brakes on my Suzuki Grand Vitara from 2004.
There is the problem.
When taking a closer look at the brake caliper, the piston boot is not well positioned and is letting dirt in. In a desperate attempt to make the piston work better, I applied some greasy vegetable oil, which I believe didn't do anything at all. This caliper will not release pressure after letting go of the brake pedal, and the car keeps on braking on this wheel. I could not do any more at this time, so I just put the wheel back and put more grease on the disc brake to make it brake less. After 20 minutes of driving to work, the brake got this hot. The other side did not show any signs of extreme heat. Several days later, after driving around without using the foot brake, only the handbrake, I decided to repair the car. First, I had to get the piston out with the help of someone pushing the brake pedal. Exactly, push and push, push again, pump it. This whole thing needs to give birth to a piston. Okay, I can see the head. It is almost out. Okay, it's out. One last push.
Okej, nu behöver du inte göra mer.
One more small push.
Okej, perfekt. Nu kom den ut.
After some sandblasting, the caliper and the piston is clean. I am now getting them ready for painting. I ordered this new rubber ring and boot for the caliper. Adding some brake fluid to get it in easier. But it would not go in. I tried using my press to get it in, which worked, but it also destroyed the rubber ring. Then I found out that I got the wrong size, so I had to use the old rubber ring. And then I could push in the piston by hand and mount everything back to the car. Here I'm bleeding the brakes with the help of someone pushing the brake pedal.
Jag tänker inte göra andra sidan.
I am not going to do the other side.